Alright guys, today we're working on the dryer. When we cut it on, it works, but the drum does not turn. I tried pressing this down and manually starting it, but the drum does not turn. The dryer does start. So we're gonna look at the belt. You know how to get the belt out. Pull your filter off. Take the screws off. Take the screwdriver and pry open the top, just like that. You see how that pry open? Always make sure you unplug it. Yeah, so once you pry it open this up. Time to find a way to keep this held up. And this is your drum. And I believe you see this black line? That's where the belt went. Alright, this is how I got mine open. Hopefully it won't fall on me. Now we gotta find the belt. See, it turns. So let's see where the belt is. Alright, so in order to get these, we're gonna have to remove the front panel. We're gonna have to disconnect this. Then gonna have to take that screw that out. Have to keep this drum held up against the back wall. So get yourself a little hanger wire or anything that's strong enough to hold this weight. Put it on that hole, push it through just like that. I got unscrew this a little bit so you could loop around the wire underneath it. You see it? And then tighten the screw back up. Like that. Hopefully it'll hold. Then you disconnect these using the small flathead. That's for the switch. That's right here. Alright, so after you get this disconnected, the screws are off. You're gonna take this panel off. You're just gonna pull it, and then you gotta lift it up. Alright, so this is what you get. And here's the belt. This right here is the belt. It's all broken up. It's cracked. And that's pretty much it, guys. And when I get the part, I'll show you how to put it on. But in the meanwhile, y'all could get it cleaned up. That's what it looked like from inside. Some change in there, you see it? All kinds of stuff. Alright, so here's the thing. The purpose of this wire is to hold the drum apart. Otherwise the drum will fall off. So what you need is to get this belt. So you'll need obviously this. Take it with you. And your machine's numbers, the model number and stuff. Alright, so I'll show you how to put it on once I get the part. Alright guys, so I got the belt for my washer. I got it from appliance store. I think about 14-15 bucks, something like that. Alright, so when we put it on the mark where the old one was. And you gotta put it face down, meaning this screw stuff should face that. just like that. Then you're gonna come down here and you're gonna put it. I got this kind of pulley. They're saying that it's better to change this into the one with the roller, but I did not buy that, so I'm gonna have to go with this. So you're gonna have to figure out how to put it in there. But basically, you go in that pulley, and this goes around here like that with the groove part on top of that. So let me figure out how to go, and then I'll show it to you. All right. So you have to put this in like that. But you're gonna have to put a lot of pressure so it'll click in that groove, and there's a groove right here. So you gotta click in, then you gotta pull it and create a tension so it'll hold on top of that, and like so. All right, that's pretty much it. Come back up. See if we could get this all lined. Try to get a line on the black line. See how he's off. And hopefully it'll work. Everything looks good. Alright, so I'm assuming next thing I gotta do is put the cover back on and see. Alright, so double check your belt. Put the front panel on. Put the bolts back on. But most importantly, when you put the belt, make sure that it's on top of these. It doesn't go all the way out, but make sure it's covered up. See it? So what I did is when I was tightening it, I kind of pushed it in the panel with my hip and the drum. Push it in much as you can, and then tighten those screws. And it should hold it. Now we're just gonna connect this back. And it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. There you go. Take that off and see what happens. Alright, so once you do that, start turning the drum clockwise and align it to the mark, to the whole thing. See how off it is? And once you're done with it, just double check the whole alignment. Look good. Alright, put the lid back on, press it down till you hear the click. Put these two screws back on. Put the filter back in it. Double check the lid. Make sure it's not moving. Open the door. Feels like it's working. Check the panels. Look like we good. Now let's give it a shot. Alright, so once you connect everything, press and hold that and the push button, and the drum should start moving. That's it. Nothing going wrong with it. Works perfect. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. See you all on the next one.